Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be talking about the top deodorant for men, or antiperspirant. But I'm mostly going to be talking about deodorant because, let me tell you, I've had a struggle over the years finding out like the perfect deodorant that keeps you all day dry, doesn't have any weird side effects, doesn't cause you health issues like aerosols and all that kind of stuff. So we're going to talk about it today. Now, a while ago, I stopped using aerosols completely. Aerosols are so bad, especially when you use them. You're more likely to be in a confined place rather than a ventilated area. So one, you're inhaling all these bad like little toxins that come out of these cans anyways. And two, it's like most of them have aluminium in them anyways, which clogs your pores and doesn't really do any benefits. It causes more harm to your body. So I did start using deodorant powder. Now, Lush deodorant powder is probably one of my favorites. I got this in a sale. So I've used the Guv'ner deodorant powder so much. Like, this is one of the best. I have a little trick though I'm going to show you on how to maximize on deodorant. So this is just basically a really great, more natural kind of deodorant. And I find it works so much more. All you have to do is sprinkle into your palm and dust under your armpits and anywhere else you fancy. So you don't really have to use this like on your armpits. It's safe to use in other places that you get super sweaty and you kind of want to musk it up. The only thing though is the smell. I'm not really a fan of the smell. So it is a very earthy kind of smell, which isn't the worst. I've had worse smelling kind of powders. Moving on. So I used to use this Old Spice Wolfthorn, which I showed in a favorites video. Now I was obsessed with this, I'm not gonna lie. Obsessed with the smell, thought it was one of the best roll-on deodorants, and thought, oh, I'm getting a really good one. Until I looked at the ingredients, and it has aluminium, zirconium, trichlorohydrex glycerin, I'm pretty sure is the last bit. Now this, you need to be careful. Anything that says aluminium or aluminum, if you're in America, you need to avoid. It clogs your pores. It also, when it mixes with sweat, is what causes yellow stains to appear on white shirts. And I was like, no, that's it. Once that happened after I used this, and I sweated so bad once because it was really hot out and I was wearing a white shirt and then there was a yellow patch, I was like, nope, bye. Pretty much. I only use the Old Spice Fiji now, which is the other one I showed in my favorites. Now this one is aluminium free, never had a problem with it, and it also is a different color. So those ones are white, these ones are more like the gel. So these ones are actually a lot nicer to especially roll on as well. It's more of like a melted gel, and it's a lot more fresher. It's gonna go on so nice. And the annoying thing is you can't get this one in the UK. I bought this in Canada. So my problem is I can get the one with the aluminum in it, or aluminium, and I can't get this one. So, Old Spice, no. What I usually do is, for maximum, I would roll this on first. Then it's like a little bit like, still a bit kind of like wet, moist, worst word to use. While it's a little bit wet, I will get like a little bit of this powder and then pat after I had applied this, so that it's like double protected. Now that seems to work because there's literally not many ingredients in this, and this one is all natural ingredients, so you're getting the best of both worlds with these. So I kind of mixed both of these, and that is the best deodorant a man can use, in my opinion. So that being said, this is my tips on how to use the best deodorant and what to avoid in future. So if you're going to look for deodorant, make sure it's not aerosol. Try and get stick if you can, or get the powder ones. The powder ones are really good. I really recommend them. And make sure the aluminium or aluminum, zirconium, trichlorohydrex glycerin, I'm pretty sure it is. I mean, if that has anything with aluminum or that kind of like sentence in it, avoid it, because they are just not good for your skin at all. Like, the aluminum just clogs your pores and you don't want that. That being said, I really do recommend trying these, maybe in combination like I do. It works really well and they're really effective. So yeah, that's my top tips for deodorant and what I use for deodorant, especially in the gym as well. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little best tips video on like my deodorant. Let me know down below if you want any more tips and tricks, or like the best kind of solution for something like grooming wise. Leave your comments down below and I will get back to them. And make sure to hit that like button for more support on the channel and make it grow. And make sure to subscribe for more content and turn that notification bell on so you can see more videos that are coming out real soon. So that's it, guys. I hope you have an awesome day wherever you may be, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye bye. So the video you're just watching has just ended, but don't worry, you can go watch one of my old videos right here, or you can go and subscribe right here and be notified when my next video comes out so you don't have to miss any of the action. So thank you and goodbye.